Real estate is no longer just about structures. It's about possibilities, experiences, and the future of how we live. At Sell the Dwell, we combine cutting-edge technology with intelligent design, creating spaces that are both beautiful and smart. Imagine a home that understands your lifestyle. From eye-driven insights to seamless automation, every detail is designed for efficiency, comfort, and connectivity. We empower investors, developers, and residents with data-driven tools. Make smarter decisions, manage assets efficiently, and experience spaces before they even exist. Beyond individual homes, The Dwell creates intelligent communities, where technology enhances lifestyle, safety, and connection. At Sell the Dwell, we empower real estate with smart PropTech solutions. The future of living, designed for today. Visit sellthedwell.com, where we redefine real estate with precision, purpose, and PropTech.